All right, good morning, everyone. Hope you're going to have a great day today. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. I apologize if my audio is a little off. My mic, my wife's friend's kid got a hold of my mic while I was gone. Uh, and so I have a new one on the way that should be here Monday or Tuesday, or today or tomorrow, depending on Amazon. But I apologize if the audio is a little off right now. But anyway, let's get into some TA. So Bitcoin did get a decent move up right here. Man, I wanted to long. Yesterday was the 8th was my daughter's birthday. She turned 4. And when we was leaving, as we was leaving, money flow was coming in, and we had reclaimed the daily VWAP. I'm not sure where it was. I think this is where I got back in. I got into a nice little trade, a little 50% trade. But right here, I feel like right here, money flow had just come in. We reclaim our daily, and we shot up. Yeah, this is probably about the time. And man, I wanted to go long, but I had to drive, I had to do stuff, and I didn't want it to go bad on me. So I didn't take the trade, but I was able to get in around 119, something like that. Where was it? Yeah, this one, the 52 percenter. I got in at 119.6, closed it at that. I just opened up a short, but I kind of flopped and groped. I should have stayed in it. Should have stayed in it. I am in one right now. That's what you saw on the chart just now. We're up 8% right now. Let's see, back to the chart. This is the position I took. Got in right here. Stop loss is right here. Right now, it looks like we're gonna hit the previous day. The reason I took this, I front run. I was about to say front ran. I front run the money flow here. I'm hoping to see it come out. I took it after I saw the 1 hour. Once the 1 hour reset here in the VWAP, it had a curve to the upside, so I didn't take it. That's why I got out of the first short, because of the VWAP to the upside here. Uh, but then on price reset, or the hourly reset, I saw it come down, and I knew that was my signal to pull the trigger on this trade. That we are up almost 10% in. And right now, if we are going to continue higher, I'd look for a bounce. I may not close the whole trade. Money flow just came out. This is my strategy. I love this strategy. The daily VWAP, hike in the C candle, money flow coming out with the 1 hour back in it. Man, that is beautiful. Let's hit our target here. We're gonna take a lot of profits once we come down to our daily VWAP, because I'm guessing we'll probably see a bounce. We'll probably see a bounce, try to come back up to our daily VWAP and reclaim it as support. If we are going to go higher, that's our first move, is reclaiming this daily VWAP as support. If we can reclaim the daily VWAP as support, more than likely we're on our way to new all-time highs, perhaps at 125K. It's a very strong psychological number. But if we're not going to hold this previous day, if we're just going to boom, come down, don't hold this previous day. We do have this 5-day SMA moving average right here, this little black line that is sloping up. That very well could send us back to our previous day. But we have this monthly. This monthly would be my guess. If we're losing the previous day, I'd say we probably come down and tap this weekly, perhaps even this monthly VWAP right here, previous monthly VWAP, excuse me. If we're gonna see a bounce higher, if we're gonna make all-time highs, we're gonna pump today. We almost did it. I'm not sure what the last all-time high was. Let's go to a high time frame. 123,250. So we almost got there. We almost got there. And if we're gonna get there, I feel like I'm about to sneeze. I think I got past it. So if we are gonna get there, we gotta reclaim this daily. But man, she's coming down. She's coming down hard. Money flow has left the market. Got a very deep momentum wave under here. So if we are gonna bounce, 119.8 is gonna be a key level to hold. And if we're not gonna hold that level, I would look for 117K. That would be a good move back down. But more than likely, this previous weekly at 116.2 if we're not going to hold this previous daily VWAP. Now it could just we could lose it, try to come back, lose it again, reject off of it before ultimately coming down. But that would be my guess. If we're not going to hold the previous day, we'd come down to this weekly. The 1 hour, like I said, VWAP shooting straight down again. The money flow coming straight down. Now we could see it curve up, and we see a bounce from one of these levels here, but looks like we're getting ready to flip the smooth hike in the sheet candle indicator to red as well. And I want to say a 4 hour red dot is starting to pinch, and the 3 hour will confirm in 30 minutes. Money flow does look like it wants to curve up. We could see it just come to the zero line and then start shooting back up. But if it comes out on these higher time frames, I would definitely look for another move down. I might even close a little bit of this trade here. Just in case we don't come all the way back down to our previous day. That money flow is deep on this 5 minute. But these are the levels I'm watching. I hope everyone has a great day. Hopefully my audio wasn't that bad. God bless you all. I'm out.